Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Bear Force 1 glider from Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and so to draw this, we're just gonna draw his whole head first. So it's just gonna be, it's almost very circular, but a little bit wider. So we're just gonna draw a shape like this. Okay, so that's gonna be the whole head. So then on the midpoint here, you can make a little dot, and then there's gonna be another circle in here. So we're gonna come from here, just go out all the way to the bottom. So we're drawing the snout. Okay, and then from here, let's draw his nose. So another one in here. This is very easy to do. And then for his mouth, just draw two lines like this, come on down, and go all the way to the side. Okay, and then from here, let's go up, just draw a line right in the middle. It's got some seam there. And then for the eyes, so we're just gonna go kind of like, draw a little shape like this, and then just give it some thickness and go all the way out. So it's kind of like a horseshoe shape. Okay, so I go that, and then we're gonna go out, and I'll shade it in so we can see it. Okay, so that's pretty much the head. Well, we gotta draw the ear. So right above his eyes, let's draw that, and then on the inside, let's draw another circle, and then this side, same thing. You really can't go wrong with these kind of simple shapes. Okay, so now let's move down, and so right here underneath, just draw one big heart. Okay, and then from there, I'm gonna draw his arm. So this is actually gonna be his hand. Just draw like two shapes like this, and then from here, this is actually his arm. It's kind of coming toward you. We'll see it better once we have the body. Okay, so once you have that, now we can draw in the body. So right here, we just kind of curve it down. And then we're continuing this line here, we're gonna curve it all the way down. Okay, and then on the inside here, just a little bit of detail, different color. Okay, and then now we can draw his leg, so it's really easy. So it's just gonna be curved, just kind of make it a little bit longer, maybe slightly wider at the end, the tip. Okay, once we have that, then we just drawing these lines, and it's got a little patch here. Okay, so that's pretty much the whole thing. So now we can add in some of the little details right here, like on the seam. Okay, so just kind of go in, just point it inward. So like here and here. Okay, maybe even here. So just go all the way around, make it a lot more interesting. So that is the bear. You want to make it into a Bear Force 1, so we got to draw the glider. And so for this one, we're just gonna come across. It's gonna be basically a set of wings. So just come across, and then we're gonna go down the slant. Okay, and then we're just gonna go out, pretty far out. Okay, and then we're just gonna draw. We just make it simple. We just come all the way down, come back in, and just kind of go back up right around the foot area. And then in the middle here, just draw like a little V, and then just kind of connect that. Okay, and then after that, we just have to draw the wing. So right here, we're just gonna draw, just kind of follow that line, Okay, the first one's like that, and then the second one is kind of just going inward, so even easier, just draw a line. And the third one, it kind of curves, but you barely see it, so I mean the last one. Okay, so it's just really simple. We'll just follow that curve, that line above, and this one, all the way through, and another one. And that's it for this Bear Force 1, and I think it actually looks better just with the teddy bear. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.